So for those of you who are wondering, if there's a way to get rid of this replace filter light, there is hope. There is a solution. The reason my filter light on is because I decided to install a 3M water filter, inline filter. That way I have filtered ice and water. The filter also is less expensive than the Whirlpool filter. It filters more water and it'll last a considerably longer time than that small filter that you put in the fridge. So here's my solution. This is schedule 40 PVC pipe. This is 2-inch pipe, and I cut it to a length of 2 7/16. This is incredibly easy. My model fridge is WRF767SDHZ00. It's a Whirlpool fridge. It takes an Everydrop 2 filter, and so I currently don't have a filter in there, which is why the replace light was on. This is all you got to do. And not until a serviceman came to replace one of these LEDs did he tell me how easy this was. But if you look up inside there, which I didn't see this before, there's a little lever. That's why the light's on. So this is incredibly easy. You take this pipe, put it up in there, close it, no more light. Easy as that. Pretty easy fix.